Welcome to Dr. JALIL Photography. Today I'll be presenting my personal review on Popeshield diffuser. You can see on my hand, this is the Popeshield diffuser I bought few months back. I've already uploaded several videos on this performance of this Popeshield. I have given the link below about this Popeshield diffuser performance. But today I'll be making a personal review on the pros and cons of this Popeshield diffuser on my tabletop studio. In the second part, I'll be discussing about the bad things about this Popeshield diffuser. Let me introduce my setup today. I've taken my camera, Sony A7R III, and there's a flash Godox 350, and the lens is laowa 90mm lens. I'll be fixing this Popeshield diffuser on this setup, and I'll give a review on the pros and cons of this Popeshield diffuser today. Let me tell about the pros of this Popeshield diffuser. The first beautiful thing I like about it, it's a magnetic attachment. So this is a 67mm filter thread. This is easy to fix. You need to fix this magnetic ring on the lens, and this is magnetic. There are 3 magnets on this Popeshield diffuser, and just clip it. Easy to fix. Now what happened? This is not in alignment with my camera. So what I have to do, I cannot make it more tight. So I have to turn it around to make it alignment. This is the easiest way of fixing this Popeshield diffuser on the camera. It's a magnetic. Just take it off and snap it with a magnet on your lens mount. Number 2 good thing about this Popeshield diffuser is this diffusion material. This is thin plastic, totally white, and gives a very good diffusion. So this is the second beautiful pros of this Popeshield diffuser, is this diffusion material. This is good quality diffusion material. Number 3 is about the size. This is a big size diffuser, so it will spread the light all around your subject. This is one of the good things about this Popeshield diffuser. But again, this could be a very bad thing about Popeshield diffuser, which I will tell you after a few minutes. Let me finish with the good things about this Popeshield diffuser. 3. One is magnetic, easy to fix. Number 2, good quality diffusion material. And number 3 is its big size, so that you can have a very big coverage of light spreading all around your subject. In the second part, I'll be discussing about the bad things about this Popeshield diffuser. That is absolutely my personal opinion. Let me start one by one. As I mentioned before about the size, I told this is a good thing about this Popeshield diffuser and other diffuser as well. So the size, if the size is big, you have a bigger area of coverage of the light. But again, it could be a serious disadvantage for outdoor macro photography. Since this is a very big size, it might hit the branches of the trees or the bush or the leaves, and your subject will fly away if it is a flying subject. If it is mushroom, or if it is some other non-moving items, if it is a flower, I think there is no problem. But for insect photography, especially the flying insects, this could be a very big disadvantage in the field until you can hold the subject in front of it with your hand. You cannot approach the insect with this big size diffuser in the bush. Now the number 2 bad thing is about it doesn't have any reflector on it. Like other radiant diffuser, we have a reflector for the diffuser. Let me show you one radiant diffuser. This is the radiant diffuser. I bought it from an Indian company. You can see this is the diffuser material, and there is a reflector on top of it so that it pushes all the light towards the subject. But the Popeshield diffuser don't have any reflector on it. The third point, you can see the gap between the flash and the radiant diffuser. There's a long gap. Because of this long gap, I will lose a lot of light around this diffuser. So I will have to use a very high flash strength for using this radiant diffuser. So this is one of the big disadvantage to me for Popeshield diffuser. So you see, I lose a lot of flashlight around this Popeshield diffuser. The number 4 disadvantage of this Popeshield diffuser is there is no backlight. I have faced another difficulty using this Popeshield diffuser in the field. If there is a very poor ambient light, if I hold the subject like this, it covers the subject and I don't get any ambient light. Let me show you in radiant diffuser. For all radiant diffuser manufacturer, they supply a back LED like this, which illuminates this radiant diffuser from the back with the help of a power bank. So it gives a constant light through the diffuser on the subject for better focusing of the subject. But for this Popeshield diffuser, it doesn't have any backlight for illuminating the radiant diffuser. So I find it difficult in the field when there is a poor ambient light. It is very difficult to focus on the subject eyes. Let me show you the backlight of radiant diffuser. So this is the radiant diffuser I have of an Indian company. Its name of this company is Radiant Diffuser as well. You see, this is the backlight. It's illuminating. See, the light is on. It's off now. So this is the one of the good thing about this radiant diffusers. All the commercial manufacturers like AK Diffuser or cygnustech, they all use this kind of backlight in their radiant diffuser. But the Popeshield diffuser don't have any backlight on it. Now I'm going to tell you one of the very bad thing about this Popeshield diffuser. You see, this is not tight. I bought this for this laowa 67mm filter thread, but when I fix it, it is not. When I make it tight, this is not in alignment with this. I cannot use it like this. This is not in alignment with the flash. I need to make it loose to make it align with the flash like this. So this is loose. Most horrible thing I have seen in my diffuser systems. Now I am going to finish it with its worst design. This is a curved designed diffuser system. Fix it on this ring. So I cannot carry this in my backpack during my photo work. I cannot put this curved thing in my backpack. I have to carry it separately and hang it with my backpack. I need to unscrew this screw on it. For making it flat, I need to unscrew this. There are two tiny screws for this. Now it is flat. You can put in the backpack. You can put this thing in backpack, and there is every chance you might lose this tiny little screw for this. And whenever you go for photo work, you have to fix it again over here and screw it with this screwdriver, and you will have to carry a screwdriver on the field for fixing this Popeshield diffuser whenever you go for a photo walk. This is the most uncomfortable situation for me for carrying this in outdoor setting. I don't like it at all for outdoor photography. I need to carry this Popeshield diffuser in a different bag, hang it with my backpack. However, I do use it in my tabletop studio, not very frequent, and I had to improve a little bit on the system for my studio setup. Since I bought this with the €60, I don't like it, throw it out. I have to improve it a little bit. I'll make another video. I have improved this system for my tabletop studio. I'll be uploading very soon. I'll be uploading another video comparing this Popeshield diffuser and this radiant diffuser side by side on this tabletop studio. If you plan to buy this Popeshield diffuser, please think twice. I'll invite you to see my next video comparing these both Popeshield diffuser and radiant diffuser side by side on my tabletop studio. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Press the bell icon for my next project. Stay connected. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.